Okay.
The National Weather
Hold on.
Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe
See
thunderstorm
Thunderstorm
warning
Warning
for
again. That's
central
my reading.
Glendale County in north-central Georgia, southern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gresham Park, or near Decatur, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, Conyers, East Point, Stockbridge, Forest Park, Marl, Hateville, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Latonia, Belvedere Park, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Lakeview Estates, Candler McAfee, Druid Hills, Lakesby, Rex, Belmont and Sweet Auburn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The forecast for the metropolitan area.